Transform your yard, grass-free Oasis ideas. Imagine stepping into your backyard and being greeted by a vibrant garden paradise. You don't need grass to achieve this look. Consider a stunning stone patio. It creates a durable, low-maintenance surface perfect for entertaining. Interlock pavers with colorful pebbles for a visually appealing and eco-friendly ground cover. Add some potted plants for extra charm. Think about a wooden deck. It adds a warm, rustic feel and provides an excellent space for outdoor furniture. Create a peaceful retreat with a meandering gravel path. It guides you through your garden and invites exploration. A lush garden bed brimming with native plants can replace grass beautifully. Choose species suited to your climate for easy care. Install a water feature like a small pond or fountain. The soothing sound of water can transform your space into a tranquil haven. Artificial turf offers a green, manicured appearance without the upkeep of natural grass. It's ideal for high-traffic areas. Use ground covers like clover or creeping thyme. They are low-growing, hardy, and bring delightful texture and scent. Set up a cozy fire pit area with seating. It becomes a focal point for gatherings and extends your outdoor season. Lay down vibrant outdoor rugs. They define different zones and add a punch of color to your backyard. Incorporate raised garden beds. They are perfect for growing herbs, veggies, and flowers, adding structure and functionality. Mix and match these ideas to create a backyard that reflects your personal style. Say goodbye to grass and hello to endless possibilities.